Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of October 10th, 2021, Part 2. Theme, Indigenous Peoples Day. We Are Water Protectors, written by Carole Lindstrom, illustrated by Michaela Goad. Water is the first medicine, Nokomis told me. We come from water. It nourished us inside our mother's body, as it nourishes us here on Mother Earth. Water is sacred, she said. We stand with our songs and our drums. We are still here. The river's rhythm runs through my veins, runs through my people's veins. My people talk of a black snake that will destroy the land. Spoil the water, poison plants and animals, wreck everything in its path. When my people first spoke of the black snake, they foretold it wouldn't come for many, many years. Now the black snake is here. Its venom burns the land, courses through the water, making it unfit to drink. Take courage. I must keep the black snake away from my village's water. I must rally my people together. To stand for the water, to stand for the land, to stand as one against the black snake. We stand with our songs and our drums. We are still here. It will not be easy. We fight for those who cannot fight for themselves, the winged ones, the crawling ones, the four-legged, the two-legged, the plants, trees, rivers, lakes, the earth. We are all related. Tears like waterfalls stream down, tracks down my face, tracks down my people's faces. Water has its own spirit, Nokomis taught me. Water is alive. Water remembers our ancestors who came before us, she said. We stand with our songs and our drums. We are still here. We are stewards of the earth. Our spirits have not been broken. We are water protectors. We stand. The black snake is in for the fight of its life. For more on water protectors, pause here. Earth Steward and Water Protector Pledge. I will do my best to honor Mother Earth and all its living beings, including the water and land. I will always remember to treat the earth as I would like to be treated. I will treat the winged ones, the crawling ones, the four-legged, the two-legged, the plants, trees, rivers, lakes, the earth, with kindness and respect. I pledge to make this world a better place by being a steward of the earth and a protector of the water. The end. Alright, so we're going to paint a mini rhythm board, and your Craft-to-Go kit is the mini rhythm board. I got these in packs of 12 from Oriental Trading. So all we have to do is paint this guy. You can also use markers if you want. Crayons would work. It'll go onto here. But I'm going to use paints, and I'm just using tempera paints, and I'm using foam brushes, but you can use whatever you've got. I'm not that neat of a painter, so we'll see how this turns out. So all you do is paint it on and see where it goes. Okay, once it's all painted, you just gotta let it dry, and then we'll try it out. Alright, so now it's all dry, and you just play it how you want.